Children, I am a grade 3 English teacher children. Now I have completed block 3 no beta. You have completed your classwork? Yes, after completing your classwork, you should do your project work. Now see, this is your activity book. You have book like this, no? Yes, open this book now. Open English activity book. Which activity book? English activity book. Now, after doing that first project work, now open a new page. Now see, right here date like this, 28-8-2020, project work 2. And you should write heading here. I'll show you what you should write here. See children, page number 31. This is a question. What do you do after coming back from school every day? Write sequence using, write sentence using words like first, then, next, after that, and finally. This is your heading question. This you should write here. Okay, after writing this heading, this question, leave one line. Then you write here. Now see children. You should write with your pencil children. See. Like this. Then after writing this question, give arrow marks and write like this. First, then, next, after that, and finally. What you will write here? What do you do after coming back from school every day? First, what you will do, you should write. Then, what you will do, you should write. Next, what you will do. Like this, you should complete your sentence here. Now, children, after writing this, take out a new page and see again, write today's date, 28-8-2020. I'll take a small slip test for you all. Why? Because I have explained you 3 blocks. So, we have completed 3 blocks. From that, what you have studied, I should also know, no? So, let me ask you a small and easy questions now. See children, now this is your question paper. Now, I'll read this. I'll read each and every bit and each and every one. The first one, second one for you all. Now, what you should do, this question paper, you should write here in your book, activity book. Which activity book? English activity book. Now, see, I'll zoom and I'll show you first bit. See, first bit. Choose the correct verbs to fill in the blanks. You all have studied verbs, no, children? This is there in your reader, no? I have explained you. Ram dash to school. Go or goes? What answer will come here? Here you should write. Second one. Teacher dash read or reads every day. What answer will come here? You should write. Now see children. Here you should write here children like this. See children. English slip test you wrote, no? Now see first bit. Choose the correct verbs to fill in the blanks. Keep like this children heading. Underline it neatly with pencil or color pencil. Leave one line and write here first one. Ram dash go or goes to school. Then second one. What is second one? See children here. Teacher read or reads every day. After writing this, you should draw here one line by using color pencil. Any color pencil you can use children to draw a line. See, after completing this one, what I am doing, I am taking pencil. You take color pencil children and you draw one line like this, so that you will know that you have completed your first bit. Now, leave one line and write here second bit. And what is second bit here? See children. Fill in the blanks with adjectives. from the box. Write heading now and underline it neatly with any color pencil, and see here, write here first one. Her voice is dash like a singer. What answer will come? Untidy or sweet? There you should write. Okay, let me write and show you one example. Now children, in second bit, you should write like this. Fill in the blanks with adjectives in your book, children, from the box. And draw a box like this and write two words here. Then you write here, first one. I showed you, in this paper here it is like this. See, her voice is dash like a singer. Second one, my brother's room is very dash. See, third bit, you should write like this in your classroom. Third bit, circle the correct words. See children, third bit, circle the correct words. First one, I dash not a fool, is, am, are. What answer is correct, you should circle here. Okay. Second one, we dash good student, are, is, am. What is the correct answer, you should circle here. Next teacher, last bit, fourth bit, make any four words with the given letters. See children, in this box there are some letters. With this you should make four words. Okay, this I have shown you in your videos, no? This neatly, see again I am showing from starting. First bit, two words for 2 marks. Second bit, fill in the blanks, adjectives for 2 marks. 2 fill in the blanks. Third bit, circle the correct words. First one and second one for 2 marks. Fourth bit, make any 4 words with the given letters. These are the letters. Write like this in one box and light with a pencil. Curl it lightly so that it will look different. It is for 4 marks. Write like the same in your activity book, children. If place is not there, you can write like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, beta? Thank you, beta. Complete this.